Funde isiXhosa no-Under Penguin neetshomi zakhe.
Iintsingiselo zamagama esiXhosa. isiXhosa names and their meanings. Sabelo, an allocation, inheritance. Sakhe, build us, unite us. Sakhiwo, a building, a structure. Samkelo, a welcome gift, acceptance. Sandile, we have increased. Sanele, we are satisfied. We have enough. Sanelisiwe, we have been satisfied. We are content. Sandiswa, we have been increased. We are multiplied. Senzile, we have done it. Sesethu, it is ours. Sesona, the most, the greatest. Sibabalwe, we have been blessed. Sibongiseni, give thanks with us, praise with us. Sibulele, we give thanks. Sibulelo, thanksgiving, gratitude. Sibusiso, a blessing. Sicelo, a request, petition. Sidima, dignity, stature. Silindile, we are waiting. Simlindile, we are waiting for him or her. Sigqibo, a decision, a resolution. Silumko, a wise person. Simangaliso, a miracle, a marvel. Simamkele, we have welcomed him or her. Simisokuhle, we are building something good. Simpiwe, we have been given him or her. Simthandile, we have loved him or her. Sindiswa, we have been saved. Sinelizwi, we have a voice. Sinethemba, we have hope. We are hopeful. Siphelele, we are complete. We are whole. Siphiwo, a gift, a talent. Sipho, gift. Sipho sethu, our gift. Siseko, a foundation, a cornerstone. Sisipho, he or she is a gift. Sivenati, hear us as well. Sivuyile, we are happy, we rejoice. Siyaya. We are going. We are moving forward. Siyakhanya. We are shining. We are bright. Sizamile. We have tried. We have made an effort. Someleze. Strengthen us. Comfort us. Songezo. An addition. Songezwa. We have been multiplied. Sonwabile. We are happy, content. Sonwabo. Happiness, joy. Sithembiso. A promise. Siyamthanda. We love him or her. Siyathemba. We trust. Hope. We are trusting.
Ze niphinde nibuye nizokuqhubeka ufunda isiXhosa noAnda Penguin neetshomi zakhe. Don't forget to like and follow. Bye.